Yo, what up? It's Fried Chicken Friday. Fried Chicken Friday. Fried Chicken Friday. Yeah, we made it. It's Friday. We're here. We're gonna see what we can get. It's early in the morning. Let's go to work. See what we can get this morning. You feel me? Let's go. Y'all stand by. Good morning. What is today?
Friday? TGIF?
What?
Friday.
No.
Test day?
What's today?
Test day.
Oh my God. What's today?
Test day, but also it's Friday, and then also.
What is today?
What's today?
It's religious.
Fried chicken Friday.
That's what I'm talking about. Now let's say it all together. What's today?
Friday.
There we go.
Fried Chicken Friday.
That's what I'm talking about.
Where are we going?
All right.
Are you gonna do
What's today?
I can barely talk.
Fried Chicken Friday.
That's what I'm talking about. Fried chicken. So then what's today?
Chicken fried.
No.
No, hold on. Start over.
What's
fried chicken fried?
There it is.
Fried chicken fried.
Cute. What's today? There we go. Look. Boom. Yeah. Y'all stand by. Yeah. Yo. What's up? I know y'all been waiting patiently. I made it back to the crib. And let's see what we working with, huh? Hold on. All right. First things first, we know macaroni and cheese, right? Yeah. Dig in here a little bit. Pull this box out. Oh, almost dropped it. Woo, we almost had an issue, y'all. But I saved it. 3 thighs, y'all. Wait a minute. 3 thighs, I believe. I don't kind of look like a bird, but that's all right. We're going to work it out. And I know y'all ready for. Let's see what's in here. Let me grab that. Ooh. That's sweet tea, right? Hold on. All right, let's see what it tastes like, huh? Ooh, wow. Delicious. Look, we made it. We made it through the week. We did what we had to do. We got through the week. All right, we work hard. It's time to play a little bit hard, okay? So let's enjoy our weekend. Let's do our thing. Get with somebody, break bread with somebody, love one another, hug one another. Let's be better than what we were yesterday, because it's Fried Chicken Friday. I'm going to holler at y'all. Y'all be safe.